Okay, this is the only bag I'm allowed to take on a flight, and I'm trying to fit 3 days of travel in it. Okay, just so you know, I'm not the kind of guy who makes like a list of things I need to take in my bag. I'm just like thinking about it like right now. I'm trying to feel what I want to wear during the weekend, and that's it. I'm not really like planning on what I'll wear during the weekend or what I need to bring. I'm just doing it like randomly right now on the spot, and that's just the way it is. No carry-on, no luggage, just a backpack and everything I need to put in. I mean, like clothes, toiletries, even all those, tech things I wanna bring with me, my iPad and stuff. Everything has to fit in this, and the more important thing to know is that it's like a default extendable bag from 30 to 40 liters. For this trip, as I don't have like a cabin bag or any sort of carry-on or anything, it's just like an under the seat type of bag I can take in the plane. I'll put this one in 30-liter mode because it's just like, it will be smaller, so it will fit like perfectly. Wait, hold on a second. I have Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, that will do the job. Okay, let's start simple. I just put the jeans in it, like here. Then I have some t-shirts I need to bring, of course. The bag is quite small, so I'm gonna have to do that maybe so that it will fit perfectly. Yeah, that's beautiful. Where is this? Okay, it makes it better. It just makes it better because once you're done with it, you have to know that to close it, you need to, make it like that. So you have to be careful about it. Okay. Now see, I only just like put 3 t-shirts, 1 jeans. I got my socks right there. Also my boxers, which are quite important. See, you still have like a little bit of room. It's not that bad. And you know what the real problem is with this bag? Let me show you right away. Oh shit. All those little things you want to take, like, like my camera stuff. If I want to put all that in my bag, I have no pocket in here. I just have to throw it all in the bag and we'll just like see what happens. That's not the best part of that bag. But in another way, the bag is just like so convenient. I mean, it's so small, it's extendable, and it's just like so easy to pack. So you don't have to think about anything. It's just like perfect. You know what the best part of it is? Everything will fit in it. I just have to add my toiletries and that's it. We're good. I have the iPad and all my small camera stuff here. It will just like do the job. I'm not scared about it. So that's fine. We did it, man. Yeah. That's a good thing. So it really depends on like how you travel. Like if you're used to travel light, you won't have any problem like putting all your clothes and technologies in it. Everything will fit if you just like travel light. I mean, for 3 days to at least a week of travel, everything could fit in it. Airlines really don't want us to win the game. So we need to find solutions. We need to have like ideas that pops up. And one of the best ideas I've ever had is having such a bag for my trips. Definitely. And I'm not getting paid to say that or to show you that bag. It's just that I love this bag. But if you don't want to have to pay extra fees like for a bigger luggage or, a carry-on or any other stuff, if you just want to have like an under the seat bag, this one will do the job. I mean, you could just like switch it to 40 liters and we're good to go. So yeah. We made it. It wasn't that hard, actually. I just, I wanted to share all this with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and, follow me for more.